Hi everyone, welcome back to Just Ellie. Today we'll be making a mango papaya drink. This drink is rich in nutrients and I'm going to use 1 lemon or lime. Now I've peeled my 7 mangoes, some are softer than others, and I've chopped up the papaya. Now after getting my lime juice in, I'm going to add 1 cup of water and then I blend this. It takes just about a minute to blend and it's a rich and thick consistency. The type of mango that I use for this is starch mangoes, and this has a lot of fiber, so I'm going to get it strained. I repeated this about twice, so I had about 6 servings, and then I added about 2 cups of water. So here we have our delicious mango papaya drink. Thanks for watching.